Yeah, lads. So then lads, a really unexpected video today, but impulsive Lockwood has made a come out in full force and we're going seeing something. And you can probably guess what we're going fucking seeing from the title of this video. Yes, we are going looking at a car. Now, I know a lot of people aren't going to be happy with this. A lot of people are going to be happy with this. A lot of people are going to think, what the hell, Lee? Like, what's going on? Let me just get the postcode up. Truthfully, guys, I can feel the interest in Stella is dropping. That's nothing against you guys. It's just, you know, you've got used to the car now in a way. And so have I. You know, I have lost that. I still love the car. Don't get me wrong. I love this car. It's an awesome car. Hang on, let me put the camera down while I'm trying to get the drive. So yeah, I can literally just. Oh, I'm going fifth gear. Oh. I can just feel interest dying in Stella a little bit. You know, she's a great car and I've got so many plans for her still. But I find it so hard to keep a car longer than 6 months. I miss that feeling of getting to know something and figuring out something. I'm just not 100% sure now. I'm not in any rush to sell this car. I do really like this car, but I just feel like it would be a good move for the channel because we're going to do drifting and stuff. You know, just to keep my, oh my god, bloody hell. It was, hang on, Jesus Christ. Should have really waited till I got on the motorway for this shit. It was either one, keep the Subaru and get a little project car, either something like a track car, like a Clio 182, or you know, just like a Fiesta ST or 206 GTI, something like something you can pick up, you know, for between 500 quid and a grand. Keep the Subaru now as a track car. Great, you know, that's cheap. But it's not really, because then you got to go down the line of, am I going to MOT this car? Am I going to tax this car? Am I going to insure this car? Because that's going to cost a lot of money. And if I'm not going to do that, am I going to trailer the car? Do I have to buy a trailer? Do you know what I mean? It's a lot of faffing around that. Or it would be get rid of the Subaru and just get something different. Now, I'm not financially in a place yet where I can get something that I really would love, like an Evo 8, Evo 9. I'm not financially in that state at the minute. People think we make a lot more money than we actually do. I'm not in that state at the minute to go and buy an Evo. So even without the question, if I was going to get a new car, it was going to be something similar sort of price bracket to Stella. This is what puts me off buying cars, because if you do go down the you know, buy and sell route, it can be very stressful because you can have two cars. You can have two cars and one might not sell and you really need to sell, etc. And it's quite difficult. But then again, if you go down the swapping route, I've been megally effed over in the past by swapping cars. So you always have that risk of, you know, people being dishonest and swapping. But anyway, I'm going to stop waffling on. Someone messaged me on the Instagram page and said, oh hey, this guy's selling one. So I messaged him. He's watched a few of my videos. It's just started raining, which is not good. You definitely don't want to see a car in the rain. But there's a police car there, so let me put the camera down. Okay, he's gone, but you definitely don't want to see a car in the rain because it hides all the minor scratches. But anyway, I'm not going to make a decision today. I don't think I'm not going to buy the car today. I'm just going to go down, see what it's like, you know, see if it's a good option. Because I've not even spoken to my insurance company yet or anything, but we'll see. Right, here we are. This is where we need to be, apparently. Here it is. It was very mixed reviews when I asked people. Right. Yeah, it was. People was like, what are you doing getting rid of the Subaru? And I was like, but everyone was like, yeah, it's a great project. What do you think, lads? What do you think? So is it, hang on, he's gunning. Is it bog standard then?
Yeah, bog standard.
See, that's good.
It's 18-inch stainless exhaust on the back.
Alright, that's good.
A bit better than standard.
Yeah. So I want it pretty standard, to be fair, because I want to make it my own in a way.
Right.
Yeah.
Well,
but buying a car with an exhaust is like the perfect thing, because you can still enjoy it while you're getting. You know what I mean? Enjoy the noise of it.
Well, it's resonated. Yeah, it's resonated. It's only the back centre section. Right. So you've got back box, a bit of a centre bit, wide pipe standard.
Right.
But it's resonated, tiny bit smaller than standard back box. So it sounds a little bit better.
Sounds fruity.
But I didn't want it really raspy.
Yeah, I can imagine them getting really raspy when they've got straight pipes and stuff. Well, that's the plan anyway.
Oh, there you go, mate.
That would be the plan. I only ever sat in one once and I was quite surprised by the interior, to be fair. Just love how low they are. Oh, 6-speed as well, which is good.
Yeah. Yeah, mate.
Well, let's have a start up. Oh, is it bloody hell? Clutch start. What year is it? 53. Oh, bloody hell! Ahead of the game here, aren't they?
Jack's always fucking helping.
Right.
Jack's always helping.
I know. The jump, oh yeah, ahead of the time, the jumps, aren't they? Literally. I know the engine bays aren't the prettiest, are they?
That's why they've got a massive cover on them. I've got it on at the minute.
Well, say that coming from a Subaru, they're not much prettier. Bloody hell.
Oil change yesterday.
Right.
The guy was supposed to be coming for Thursday.
Right.
He messaged me this morning. He's like, "Oh, I'm changing my mind."
Right. It's annoying selling a car because you get so many people like that, and that's why I don't like doing it. That's the only thing that like puts me off buying and selling cars, is selling them. Like the buying part's so much fun.
Big face in it.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Yeah, I love it. Interior is really nice for a car of its age, like, and it's got a clutch start for 2004. It's nuts. Absolutely nuts. Bloody hell, get a bit wet then, mate.
Sort then.
Obviously it's only 2 seats, so we'll have no backseat fun in this. When you're buying a car and driving it, keep an eye on the temperature, make sure it gets up to temperature. Well, that's oil pressure, but where's temperature gauge? Temperature gauge is there, so make sure it gets up to temperature and stays at temperature. Because if you're looking at, if it overheats, obviously, you know, there's 100 issues. If it doesn't get to temperature, then there's probably a thermostat issue or something, so always keep an eye on temperature. Look how low down the buttons are for the, it's like all the way down here. I love how low you sit. It's like next to my shoulder, it's next to my neck. Like, look how low you sit, guys. Obviously, get your head under the bonnet. Look for things that are ticking, rattling. Look, check for oil leaks. Obviously the bit there, but it's all dry, so there's no, don't worry about that. Get on the sides. And just noise basically sound. You'd be able to, if something was wrong, you'd be able to tell straight away that you'd. And obviously I'm going to check the oil in a little bit as well. He said he'd done it, he said he changed the oil yesterday, so I'll have a check of that when we pull up and stuff. Oh, that sounds so nice, man. Sounds so nice. Don't get too jealous, Stella. Alright, cut to the GoPro shots of driving. 350Z test drive. It's going to be so nice, actually, having a car which is punching. It's going to be really weird to drive because the power's just going to be there. Yeah, the power's just there. Gearbox feels awesome. Gearbox feels really notchy. Really notchy. It's really good. Whoa, wow! It feels like it's actually got a short shift in it. Like the steering's dead responsive. There's so much feedback from the road. Ah, it's actually really good. Like, it's really good. But it actually put, like, that's fifth and it still pulls. So yeah, it's not the quickest thing in the world, but it sounds good. The power's really linear. You know, you are missing that that power in the top end. Brakes are good. Wouldn't expect anything less from Brembo's. You know, obviously it's nowhere near as quick as the Subaru, but I just think, you know, what do you think, guys? I mean, it is heavily down to you as well. I mean, I know that you can make these look absolutely stunning, like you truly can, and it's rear wheel drive, boys. You know what that means. But no, like there's no knocks, no suspension knocks, no gearbox knocks. Engine feels good, engine feels dead smooth. Punchiness is amazing. Traction control kicking in. Is there a way to turn that off? Because there better be. Obviously not for now, but yeah, there'll be a way to turn it off. We're at temperature and we've been staying at temperature, which is good. Is that cruise control? Like, it's the punchiness, like, just. Obviously, you know, you get the torque and you don't get much else after that, but it's fun, guys. I understand, they don't actually feel like, oh no, they are buttons, they're just not very thingy buttons, but how do you turn it on? Where are all the electronics? I know I hate electronics, but at least I'll like them to be noticeable when they do have them. It's good, isn't it, mate?
How do you like it?
It's good. The handling's amazing, isn't it? Like,
surprising.
I couldn't really feel it really, because obviously there's just roundabouts. So I weren't really driving fast, but just the responsiveness and the stiffness of it, like the feedback from the wheel.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah.
The fucking width of the back wheels became more tires. Sticks like nothing.
And they sound really nice as well. Can't wait, it's like straight piped.
Oh man.
You can notice the lack of boost though.
Oh yeah,
yeah. It's like, yeah, it's like you put your foot down. It's like, oh god, it's very torquey, and then it's like
torque, and it's just
come on, come on. It's just a nice car. It's just a nice car, isn't it?
I'll be honest with you, man. I really don't want to sell it.
Yeah.
But it's like £3 so I was gonna fucking turbo it, do that.
Well, it'd benefit from a turbo, wouldn't it? Massively benefit from a turbo.
Same engine out the I-35 GTI.
Is it?
Just with a smaller bore and without the turbo.
I've seen one before. It's the same engine out of the GTI, and I was like, it can't be the fucking RB.
Yeah.
Because it's definitely not.
No, it's same engine. Just obviously GTIs have a lot of work done to it.
Yeah, and 2 big turbos on as well. Right, so I'm back in the car, guys. I went what's he doing, mate? Went driving the 350. I was so impressed with the whole like build of the car. It's built so well. It feels so stable and structured. Handling's amazing. The brakes are amazing. Obviously the power's a bit annoying. You know, they're not. There's no boost, so you kind of get all your power at once when you put your foot down. It's dead torque. It'd be great for like country lanes and stuff. But no, on a straight line, you can definitely feel the lack of, you know, horsepower in a way. I mean, the horsepower differences aren't even that big between these two. It's just, you know, the boost, you just get that you get that, you know, that boost pressure. I do like it, lads. What do you think? I'm not 100% sure if I want to do it. I need to make phone calls to the insurance, so see what the insurance is like on them. You know, just basically run down the money figures and see what it's going to be. See if it's going to be cheap for me, more expensive, etc. But you know, it's weird because they're totally different cars and they're totally different, you know, options for the channel in a way. I just wish they were a bit quicker. If they were a bit quicker, I'd be jumping onto it. But you know, coming from a Scooby running 20 pound of boost, going into one of them, you know, it does feel a little bit slow. But it's fun because it's instant power. The noise is amazing as well. Please don't tell me to get this car, get that car, get an Evo, get an Evo. I can't afford an Evo, I can't afford anything like that now. But I just feel like the channel wants something different. The channel needs something different. This in the price range, this is fun, and the cool cars as well. Oh, I don't know, guys, it's difficult. Oh my god, guys, I'm driving home and all I can think about is what to do, man. Like, I literally go from one to the other every 5 minutes. I'm like, yeah, 350, it's 2-seater, it's cool, like, it's rear wheel drive. And then in a second I'm like, no, actually, like, the Subaru looks way nicer, Subaru's faster, Subaru's got more street cred, Subaru's better at meets. Then I think, yeah, but like the 350 with a Nismo kit, like, I don't know what to do, man. I don't know what to do. I think, before making any decisions, I'm going to ring my insurance company tomorrow. See what they say. If the 350 is cheaper, then yeah, I think it'd be good to go for it. If it's more expensive, then no. If it's around about the same, then I'll have to see. I mean, I'm gonna put this video up now and just wait for the response on you guys. And I want to see what you want. Do you want the Subaru? Do you want me to keep the Subaru, slam it, wide body it, maybe push for 350, 400 brake, go for things like that? Change the wrap a little bit if you don't like it. If you do like it, cool. If you don't like it, what should I do with the wrap? Or should I just get rid of it and just start a whole new page with a 350Z? You know, obviously the rear wheel drive, and we can do a little bit of the drifting scene. But then again, we're out limited with power in a way because there's non-turbo. So what do you want to see, guys? I can't decide, so I'm leaving it up to you. So keep the Subaru, wide body it, go for a lot of power, or do I get a 350Z? I'm leaving it up to you guys. I'm going to end this video here. I'm going to try and get this video up as soon as possible because I hate waiting on stuff like this. I just want to know straight away. So I'm going to get this video up tonight. Might be a bit of a late up. We might watch this like 8 o'clock at night. But please, guys, let me know what you want to see.